Dang! Access to the work computers is so slow. Using technology to try and get in remotely, I don't know why people think it's the best way to work. Remote working is just a bad experience. There's got to be a better way. I'll upgrade my connection. That's what I'll do. I'll move to a bigger screen and a faster connection. So I'll just hook up my old phone here, get myself on the internet, and away I go. Still needs an upgrade. It's not working. Remote access, it should be better than this. I'll upgrade to something else. Might be able to get myself a better connection. Alright, yep, we can get ourselves a better connection with this. We'll be flying along in no time. Still not a great connection. What am I doing wrong? First thing you need to do is talk to your IT company. Talk to us. Talk to us about what you need. What are your remote access requirements? What technology are you using? What technology could you be using? If you're having a poor performance accessing your server or your network from home or from wherever you might be, especially in these days we've been through with COVID and learning for the first time about small home offices and things like that, maybe we should talk about what you're doing. Maybe there's a better technology. Maybe you should be using a VPN, or maybe you shouldn't be. Maybe you should be using a remote desktop server. There are lots of different ways of doing things, and with the cloud, Office 365 and OneDrive, there are other ways to share your data now. So if you're having problems remote and you can't quite get the speed you need, maybe there is a solution. Give us a call. Call BTP or email us, helpdesk@btponline.com.au. And if this video was entertaining, love to hear your comments and love to hear feedback on other things you'd like to hear about, and please share it. Thank you.